Riga, the capital of Latvia. We arrived yesterday night. Today we already went to the KGB building. It was really good. If you come here, I think you should go there, but it's a bit strong, so be prepared. But it was basically where they held people prisoner and killed them, etc. here in Riga. It was until 98, so until quite late. 91 until quite late. Now we are heading to the Art Nouveau district to see all the buildings with the Art Nouveau and maybe the museum. So today we were in the old town, in the city center. It was really nice weather. Yeah, in the morning we went to the market. It was really nice. We were shocked of how many like food and things they had there. It was amazing. So if you come to Riga, you must go to the market. And now we came to this, like, it's the museum night, so every museum is open and free until 1 AM. So we came to the Art Nouveau museum, and they were dressed like traditional with Art Nouveau like costumes like in time. Today we woke up super early and we went to this like outskirts of Riga, to the more like countryside, to a farm to ride horses. Basically I booked us a riding horse trail through the forest, and also like an hour before so we can learn how to do it. I used to do it when I was younger, but Daniel had only done it once. I couldn't film anything when we were riding the horse because it wasn't allowed, but basically it was an adventure. The horses were scared a couple of times because first they saw an elk, then there was a deer, and my horse freaked out and started running through the forest, but everything was okay. I was eaten alive by mosquitoes. Otherwise, it was really good. Now we are going to take a shower, get dressed, and go out for dinner and maybe a cocktail or something like that.